Ammonium phosphate is one of the most widely used phosphorus fertilizers in modern agriculture. It provides two essential nutrients required for plant growth: nitrogen and phosphorus. These nutrients play an important role in plant metabolism, energy transfer, and especially root development during the early stages of crop growth. Chemically, ammonium phosphate fertilizers exist in two forms. Monoammonium phosphate contains one ammonium group attached to a phosphate ion, while diammonium phosphate contains two ammonium groups attached to the same phosphate ion. These fertilizers usually appear as gray or brown granular particles with a crystalline structure, and they dissolve easily in water, allowing nutrients to become quickly available to plants. Ammonium phosphate produced by reacting ammonia with phosphoric acid in a controlled industrial process. During this reaction, ammonia neutralizes phosphoric acid, forming ammonium phosphate salts. These salts are then processed, dried, and formed into granules that can be easily transported and applied in agricultural fields. This fertilizer is widely used for many important crops such as corn, wheat, rice, soybean, sugar beet, and various vegetable crops. Farmers often apply ammonium phosphate at the early stages of planting because phosphorus supports strong root development and helps plants establish quickly in the soil. One major advantage of ammonium phosphate fertilizer is that it supplies both nitrogen and phosphorus in a single product, which improves nutrient efficiency and promotes better crop growth. It is also highly soluble, allowing plants to absorb nutrients quickly after application. Because of these benefits, ammonium phosphate fertilizers are commonly used in many agricultural systems around the world. However, long-term use of ammonium phosphate fertilizers can also affect soil properties. When ammonium in the fertilizer is converted into nitrate by soil microorganisms through the process known as nitrification, hydrogen ions are released into the soil. This process can gradually lead to soil acidification, which lowers soil pH and may influence nutrient availability and soil microbial activity over time. In addition to soil impacts, there can also be environmental concerns. If excess nutrients move from agricultural fields into nearby rivers and lakes through runoff, they can contribute to eutrophication. This process stimulates excessive algal growth, which can reduce oxygen levels in water and harm aquatic life. Furthermore, nitrogen in fertilizers may contribute to the release of nitrous oxide, a powerful greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. So, ammonium phosphate fertilizers are highly effective for improving crop production because they supply essential nutrients needed for plant growth. However, proper fertilizer management and responsible application practices are necessary to maintain soil health and reduce environmental impacts in the long term. Thank you for watching us.